everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out a cut crease hack that I saw on social media. The girl's name is Molly. Can't really think of her last name, or nor can I pronounce it, but I will find her video and I will link it down below. But it looked like a pretty cool hack, so I wanted to try it out. So let's go ahead and get started, but before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And ring that little bell for notification of my future uploads. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette today. I've used it in the past, as you guys know. But I'm going to use it again today. I have other palettes I do want to try, but for this just short video, I have my granddaughter's birthday party, so I have to make this a quick one compared to my other videos, especially pretty short. But yeah, I got my granddaughter's birthday party, and then my husband has a gig tonight that I'm gonna film for them. So go ahead and get this started. My granddaughter, my one granddaughter, I have 3 granddaughters, but my one granddaughter, the middle child, is turning 3 today. Well, not actually on, her birthday was the other day, but the party's today, but she is 3 years old, and I cannot even believe how fast the time goes. Seems like just yesterday she was born. That looks pretty even. Just gonna blend it out a little bit better. Alright, oh, this was my E40. And I'm going to go in with one of my other Sigma brushes. I love the Sigma brushes. They're so soft, and I'm going to go in with this purpley shade, deep purple. I'll go with the deeper colors for fall. And then on the very outer crease, the outer V, I should say, I'm going to go in with E35 with the root beer, it's called, the dark brown shade on the outside here. I'll probably put a little bit more of this after I do the crease. Look at crease. Okay, so this hack that she showed was using a twist tie from bread, of all things, but it looked really cool the way she did it. So give that a try. I'm gonna run another dense brush, a different one, and where are they all? Alright, I'm gonna take this dense brush. I'm gonna run a purpley shade on the bottom. A little bit of the brown on the outside here. And ooh, I got my little doohickey to take the shades off as I go here. Alright, so I'm going to use, as you can see, I already got my base done, but I'm going to use the same concealer I used for my base, and it's Born This Way by Too Faced. But I'm not going to use this doe-foot. I am going to use the doe-foot actually just to do the little look up trick. Ooh, I got a ton on my lashes. So that doesn't work for me. Oh, I've seen it work for everybody else, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe I don't have as one-sided eyes as I thought I did. Alright, well, I'm just going to go ahead with the twist tie trick then. So, got it shaped for my eye already. Oh, now there it goes. I guess all I got to do is just go about my business and eventually it'll get up there where it needs to be. So, okay, so let's load this up with the concealer, but not too much, not to make a mess. So let's see if this works for me. Well, see, now that's way too high. So this is not exactly where I wanted my cut crease to go to. Alright, and then I'm going to take a little angled brush and finish it up. Wipe that little bit off that got up too high. Messed it up, of course. Okay, load up the other twist tie because I got them shaped for both sides of my eyes. Go in for a little bit more here. Still didn't work, guys, so just going forward here. Can you see? Kind of a weird shape, but and it's this one without messing it up. So this one wasn't as high. This item shaped differently. Yeah, I could do just as good a job freehand, guys. This it actually worked great for her. It looked like it did. But alright, well, that's my cut crease. This one. A little bit better. Go back in with that darker shade and stamp it on the outside here. No look is usually unsalvageable. Usually can fix it one way or another. We'll see how that turns out. Maybe good, maybe not. We'll see. Get my gel liner. Get my new gel liner and throw that one out. It's had it. yes, I'm wearing a sundress, and it's probably like 70 degrees out. But this is Buffalo, so in Buffalo, that's still warm. Okay. I'm going to finish this off camera, because I don't want to bore you guys with the rest of my eye makeup application, but I'll return with the final look. Okay, so after finishing my eyeliner and putting on some mascara, this is the final look. Took my hair down. The only other thing I did was pop some highlight in the inner corner and on my brow. And that's the final look. It actually didn't turn out too bad in the end. As far as the hack, it really didn't work for me. I ended up having to go back in. Of course, I didn't like the shade that I picked at first. It was too dark, and you know, like I said, not every eye look is fixable. Even if you have to take makeup wipes and wipe it off and fix it, but I think it turned out okay in the end. So thank you for joining me for trying out this hack. I thank Molly for posting that to begin with, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I changed my lipstick because that orange was making me angry.